वज़ीर ख़ारजा डॉक्टर जयशंकर जो मलेशिया के दौरे पर हैं, इसराइल और हमास की जंग पर एक अहम बयान दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि इसराइल और हमास की जंग की सबसे बड़ी हकीकत यह है कि फ़लस्तीनियों से उनके घर, उनके ज़मीन और हुकूक छीन लिए गए हैं। कोलालमपुर में हिंदुस्तानी कम्युनिटी से बात करते हुए वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने कहा कि पूरे तनाज़े में सच या झूठ कुछ भी हो, इंसानी हमदर्दी के क़वानीन पर अमल करना ज़रूरी है। इसके साथ ही जयशंकर ने 7 अक्टूबर को इसराइल पर हमास के हमले की मजम्मत करते हुए उसे दहशतगर्द हमला करार दिया।
Life would be incredibly simple. You actually, I don't know if you need foreign policy, you certainly won't need foreign ministers. But it's, I want to say that, in real life, I mean, you spoke about the Israel issue. Look, in a way, how different the pulls and pressures can be. On the one hand, what happened on October 7th was terrorism. On the other hand, nobody would, countenance the deaths of innocent civilians. Countries may be justified, at least in their own minds, in responding. But you cannot have a response which does not, every response must take into account something called international humanitarian law. And the fact is that whatever the rights and wrongs of the issue, there is the underlying issue of the rights of the Palestinians and the fact that they have been denied their homeland. So, I'm taking that one issue and I've given you 5 different aspects of that issue. And somewhere a solution cannot be that I will pick 2 out of the 5 and leave 3, because you will not get a solution out of that. So the point is, all of us who are in the, I would say, the policy world, who have to take those calls, much of our challenge is how do you get this balance right?